Creating product videos for Amazon listings used to require a professional crew and a big budget. That's no longer the case. In this video, you will learn how Pixii's new AI video generation feature works, how to create short product videos using just an ASIN and a product photo, and how to use those videos on Amazon listings, advertisings, and social media to improve conversions. If you want to try Pixii yourself, find a free trial and a special offer in the video description below. Hi Monte, it's nice to have you again here, and we'll talk about Pixii and the new feature of generating videos. Hi, and please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit what is Pixii.
Hey, Augustus, thank you so much for having me. My name is Monty. I'm the founder of Pixii, the AI designer for Amazon listings. And yeah, so excited to introduce video. This is actually the first time we're premiering it here on Orange Click.
And I think, yeah, let's jump directly to the screen. I will just actually mention to everyone, like, if you want to try Pixii, there is a free trial and few bonuses with a free trial. We'll talk about that later. So, but you will find the link below in the description, also the coupon code in case you decide to sign up. And I'm bringing the screen. So let's maybe just very shortly get an overview what is Pixii, what you can do in terms of images. You have been presenting this on Orange Click for a few months already, and it's developing, and then we'll switch to the video.
For sure. So the basic thing that Pixii does is you drop in your ASIN and then you get a listing like this. You know, optimized for Amazon, the main image as well as the infographics designed to sell. A+ content in one click, looks like this. Beautiful, very well designed, and you can edit them in Pixii. We have a lot of editing tools that people love where you can just change only one thing like this fish or this label. And then the other thing that people love about Pixii is the ability, I mean, one, it works on anything. It works on TikTok shop listings. You can do any kind of product, any kind of scene, seasonal stuff like Christmas. And I think the other thing that people really, really yearn to is the factory. And what that lets you do is take one listing and then scale it to many. So if you have different flavors, pack sizes, scents, that's all available for you in one click. You can turn one listing into 50 listings in about 20 minutes. So that's the core idea what Pixii does. We have a lot of features, as you mentioned, we've been developing quite a bit with the Amazon community. But yeah, today's about video.
And many of these features were already covered in other videos, so you'll find the link to some videos below in the description as well, or just search our channel. And let's jump to the video and let's play around.
Heck yeah. So I'll show you how it works. So in Pixii, you will just go over to Pixii Labs, which is where we do our experimental features. And, there's a lot of stuff here, always new things coming. Let's try video. And then all you need is the ASIN and ideally a product photo. So I want to work on this cleaner. It's like a pretty well-known, I think it's well-known spray. Let's drop it in here. Again, if you have an HD photo, I strongly recommend it. You'll get much better results. And let's click generate. We're going to get 2 videos. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes.
And you didn't did you provide any prompt, nothing? Or there was some settings I didn't notice.
No prompts. If you want to add prompts, I'll show you that in a bit. But Pixii's whole philosophy is that, like, yeah, you have very little time and you need to go make more money on your listings. And so Pixii tries to do as much of the work as possible. So it's reading reviews, it's studying competitors, it's looking at, how do the best do videos. It's going to write a script. It's going to, generate a video, and then let's take a look. And if we don't like it, we can try again.
And of course, those who are subscribed to your service, they might be worried that they were used to generate images, and now if they will generate videos, the credits will be going out very fast and burning. How many videos can they generate if they would just use their account for video generation?
Yeah, so on the base plan, you can get more than 100 videos. The idea is that you may not need that many, but you may want to experiment. In terms of how does it compare to images, so each image takes about 10 credits. For video right now, we're doing short videos. That takes about 30 credits for these 8-second videos.
All right, and now while we're waiting, can you already show some videos which you have tried and played around before?
Yeah, so I just did a bunch of these. So, the World Cup just finished, and so I was like, okay. So this is these are all first try videos. I'll show you this one.
I was worried about the price, but this is the real deal. The crest is authentic, the quality is insane, and it fits perfectly. It is an investment, but if you want true team pride, get it.
It's for a authentic jersey. I also did some listing images just to see what it would look like alongside it. Let me pop over. Oh, and then obviously the Messi jersey, we had to do that
If
one.
you are stuck choosing between the replica or the authentic kit, get the authentic. It is so lightweight you forget it is there, and the heat press badge means zero scratchiness. It is a true slim fit.
Yeah, I added a couple infographics as well just to see what they would look like. You know, okay, get the authentic one, don't get the replica.
And these videos you generated by just providing ASIN, just what we did just a few minutes ago, right?
I wanted professional landscape lighting, but I refused to hire an electrician. These AuraGlow solar spotlights give you that expensive warm glow without a single wire. You literally just stick.
And then some pet stuff.
If you train your dog constantly, you need these. They smell exactly like sweet potato pie with only 8 calories each. The treats are a little big for tiny breeds, but for guilt-free treating, just try them.
And Monte, for those Amazon sellers who maybe never considered video because it was expensive video production, how they can use these videos? So now they, generate it. So what next?
So, I mean, yeah, such a good point. So you can use these videos on your Amazon listing as, one of the last slides. You can also use it on social media. If you're present on any other platforms, most platforms now support video. So if you're on Shopify or TikTok Shop, it really, really does kind of get more, better conversions and better click-through rate. So if you're doing ads, if you're doing social media, you get 3 or 4 times higher performance with video than you will with images. So that's on meta ads and social media. And on Amazon, they haven't published much data, so we haven't collected much yet, but everyone knows that, like, obviously videos are more enticing. And if you see a listing with a video, it might help you answer the remaining questions that you have before you buy something. And it just also looks more professional. And then let's take a look at so I sent the video in for this cleaner. Before you get the video, Pixii's done a bunch of research, right? So before it writes a script or anything like that, it actually is thinking, okay, who are the customers? So for this product, it's a bargain hunter. The tough mess tackler, people are, working on cars or working with very serious stains. And, the unique selling point here is the industrial grade cleaning powder. The industrial grade cleaning powder at a fraction of the cost. A ton of stuff here. We don't have to dive into it, but let's just take a look. Okay, let's see what this one says.
I stopped buying expensive cleaners. This single spray melts heavy stove grease instantly without any bleach or ammonia. The bottle is basic, but the power is industrial. Just try it on your...
Yeah, the script is great, but it messed up the bottle. Let's also take a look. Video. Let's just add some stuff. Show the product with car mechanic. Let's run a couple because, they might not be good. Let's also do, I don't know, show it spraying on a really tough stain. Wow, my spelling's gotten so bad. Let's do an Instagram video. Let's just see what happens. And then let's also take a look at some of the other ones as well. Let's see if we can add a couple things. Actually, one thing I want to show really quickly is editing. So while we're waiting on those 2 videos to come, I'll add a couple down here for fruitables. And then I'll also show you some editing features that we already have live. So let's add, I don't know, a man with a big dog. And we'll do an Instagram video. We can also do a sponsored products video, which is a new ad format that Amazon is promoting quite heavily. And then let's just do a good old listing video as well. So while those are coming, let me just pop into the editor. We have, again, a drag and drop editor that you can use. One thing that I notice here is, like, it's got all this weird stuff as if it's a camera. I don't know why that happened. 5600 daylight, these weird things. The easiest thing to do, honestly, I'm just going to duplicate this. And I'm going to just drag and drop and just, like, get that out of frame. And there we go. Here's a 360. For some reason, the 360 works really, really well. A lot of our customers have been asking for it. I think it's just enough to keep your attention when you're in the listing. A lot of people will use these kind of videos inside their A+ content, or if they're doing display ads on Amazon, they'll use this kind of video because it's simple. It gets the point across. It catches your attention when you're scrolling around Amazon. And there's a bunch of stuff here. Look, we can edit this. We can, throw in stock photos. We can crop. A lot of cool features here, and we're adding more and more for editing. Okay, let's take a look at some of these other videos that we just made for fruitables.
At only 8 calories, you can treat them all day guilt-free.
Really cool with all the crunchiness.
The crunch was so funny. Dogs don't sound like that, but it was funny. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, this is our sponsored products video. Yeah, so sponsored products video for Amazon, they have all these rules like no sound, no graphics on top. And because it's supposed to be like a main image, like very, very simple and clean. And then let's see what this is about.
At only 8 calories a pop, I can treat them all day long.
That's funny. It's hilarious. I mean, it's so much fun, you know? You can make your own, and especially, I mean, this is not even my product. Like, imagine this is your product and you're seeing your baby in like the greatest light. Let's see. Let's see. Did it fix the bottle?
Stop wasting 20 bucks on specialty auto degrease. This bright yellow liquid eats right through heavy engine grease on contact without using bleach. The bottle is nothing fancy, but honestly,
It even it said heavy engine 2 times. It fixed himself. Like it's a so natural kind of talk.
It's so bizarre. Yeah. It's so human, right? Like somebody would actually do that.
I'm not sure about the bottles. I haven't seen, of course, such bottles, but it looks a little bit maybe too big for me. I don't know.
Let's see. So the first two got the bottle wrong. So these are just, she's wrong. This is wrong. Let's see. It's hard to tell.
But this is where you could just upload a reference image, your bottle with something, with a cup.
Exactly. Yeah. If you put it, yeah, if you put a photo up with a cup or with a soda can or something normal, it'll.
stop wasting 20.
I think this is pretty close. Let's take a look at this one.
Do not let the price fool you. This destroys tough stains.
So close. You know what I'll do is I'll just crop out those last 3 seconds. But I mean, think about like how much this would cost you to do a video like this with a professional announcer, studio. I mean, you're talking like a few thousand for sure.
Do not let the price fool you. This destroys tough stains.
Nice. Okay, I need to trim a little bit more. Okay, and then I'll promote it to the front, and then there we go. Yeah, it's super fun. I don't know. I like it. We actually just put it in Pixii today, like this version of it. We had a version out before, but I've been having so much fun. It's so cool. And it's pretty quick, isn't it? Like we were just talking. It's hard to hear a couple more. Let's see what this guy is. Shoes.
If you lift, stop squatting in squishy running shoes. These give me a completely flat, rigid base, so I actually feel grounded under heavy weight. The only thing is they are purely for lifting, not cardio. Honestly, if you want
It cuts off mid-sentence. That part's annoying, but you know, we'll iterate on it. We'll make it better. And it's a part of the reason we're giving away like such, you know, we're doing this promotion where we're giving away a lot of video for really cheap prices. We want to learn and obviously want to help people grow, but I love your feedback.
Let's talk about the offer. First, of course, there is a free trial. Second, there is always a coupon code to get 25% off your first month. And at the moment, every free trial gets 2 listings of 4 videos for free, right?
Yeah, you got it. So the free trial, you get 2 listings. Each one takes about 2 minutes. You can also do about 4 videos, mix and match as you wish. And there's a bunch of other features in the free trial like deep strategy, title and bullets optimized for Alexa. And so that's, you know, always available.
Thanks for introducing video features. They look amazing. I hope that your users will love it. If you want to try, free trial is very generous. You can make 2 videos already and few images. And if you want to sign up, all the information is below in the description. So thanks a lot, Monte, and good luck in your business and see you next time.
Thank you much, Augustus. Have a great one.
I hope this video will help you create product videos for Amazon listings without spending thousands on production. If you want to try Pixii, find the link and a discount code for the first month to get 25% off. As well, when you sign up with Pixii, the free trial gives you a couple of images and 2 videos for free, which you can use to generate. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoy the content we create, subscribe to the channel, and if you have additional comments and questions about the video you just watched, leave them in the comment section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where we cover more Pixii features for the tool which helps you to create Amazon listing images and optimize them to look great. So check this out.